Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking the incredible DJI Flip for an aerial adventure in one of Singapore's most iconic locations, the Gardens by the Bay and Marina Barrage. I've been itching to explore this stunning landscape with the DJI Flip, and today's the day. But before we launch the drone, there's one crucial step we absolutely cannot skip: checking for no-fly zones. As you can see here on the app, the area around Marina Barrage has been designated a no-fly zone. It's essential to respect these restrictions. Thankfully, we have scouted our launch point carefully, and the app confirms we are just outside the no-fly zone. However, you'll also notice that flying towards the west, closer to the main gardens, is restricted. So, our flight path will be focused on the areas around Marina Barrage and the eastern edges. Always double check your location before you fly. With the all clear given by the app, it's time to unleash the DJI Flip and capture some truly unique perspectives of this incredible location. The sun is quite strong today, so I've got the DJI ND64 filter locked and loaded. This will help control the highlights and give us that smooth cinematic look by reducing the amount of light hitting the sensor. Look at this initial view. The scale of Marina Barrage is just immense, and you can already see the iconic Supertrees sticking out in the distance. The ND64 is doing a great job of taming the bright Singaporean sun, giving us a nice balanced exposure. As we descend to a lower altitude, the lighting conditions changed. There's more shade and less direct sunlight. For this segment, I decided to switch to the DJI ND16 filter. This lighter filter allows more light in, which is perfect for these lower level shots, ensuring we maintain a bright and detailed image without overexposing. See the difference? The ND16 is really opening up the shadows and giving us a much brighter image at this lower altitude. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job to get the best possible results. Now, the DJI Flip is in the follow mode. This is where the drone locks onto the subject, in this case me, and tracks my movements. It's incredibly intuitive and does a fantastic job of keeping me in the frame. Look how smoothly it follows. It maintains a consistent distance and keeps me in the center. This is perfect for capturing dynamic shots where you are the main subject. Next up, we are trying out direction track mode. In this mode, the DJI Flip flies in front of me, maintaining a fixed distance as I move forward. This can create some really interesting leading shots. In this configuration, the drone has no real sensors. That's why I'm constantly checking my surroundings to make sure the DJI Flip doesn't get too close to the trees. Flying the DJI Flip at Gardens by the Bay was absolutely breathtaking. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drone adventures. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next flight. Thanks for flying with us today. We'll see you in the next video.